Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a laptop that's making waves in the tech world, the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. Known for its powerful performance and stunning display, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's kick off with the design. The Galaxy Book 4 Ultra impresses with its sleek, lightweight profile. Despite its 16-inch size, it feels surprisingly portable. The graphite finish and aluminum chassis not only look premium but also feel sturdy. The hinge is smooth, allowing for easy one-handed operation. Plus, the generous port selection including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and USB-A is a definite plus for connectivity. Now, let's talk about what really caught my eye: the OLED display. At 16 inches with a 3K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, it's an absolute visual treat. Colors are vibrant yet accurate, thanks to OLED technology. Whether you're editing photos or watching HDR content, like Cyberpunk 2077 or Doom Eternal, the contrast and detail are stunning. It's one of those displays that just makes everything pop. Under the hood, this laptop means business. With an Intel Core Ultra processor and NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPU, it's geared towards power users and gamers alike. During our tests, it handled everything from heavy video editing to gaming with ease. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077 ran smoothly at medium settings, showcasing its gaming prowess. It's impressive how it balances power with efficiency. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: battery life. Samsung claims up to 21 hours, but real-world usage gave us around 13 hours and 19 minutes on a single charge. That's pretty commendable for such a powerful machine. Whether you're working on the go or binge watching your favorite shows, it won't let you down. Moving on to daily use, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra shines with its comfortable keyboard and responsive trackpad. The keys have good travel, making long typing sessions a breeze. Plus, the inclusion of Samsung-specific apps might be a boon if you're in their ecosystem, though others might find it unnecessary. It's all about personal preference here. So, should you consider the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse in terms of performance, paired with a display that's hard to beat. Whether you're a creative professional needing raw power or a gamer looking for a capable machine, it ticks all the boxes. Just be mindful of the Samsung software if you're not already invested in their ecosystem. Overall, it's earned its place as one of the top contenders in the Windows laptop market. That wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.